there's always a dog here. So, yes. Yep, there you go. I love dogs, but not the ones attacking me. Today we are running to a big cave. It's a cave somewhat 10 kilometers from my house, so the whole tour will be 20 kilometers in total. It's Monday morning, it's cloudy. We'll take you on a journey. This first kilometer was already heavy because there was a small climb, and at the end of the climb there's the dogs, but we survived. The dogs were locked, which is not always the case, and then you need to run for your life. I don't know, I never know how to react on these dogs, because on one hand they're doing their job, protecting the property, but on the other hand I'm also not trespassing the property. I'm just running by, and they don't seem to know the difference. So it just went up a lot, but as you can see here, we are crossing the highway, and just a little bit more road, and then we will find the trails. So here we are. Here we're entering the trail. But the games begin in exactly 20 days, just a little less than 3 weeks. I'm running the marathon of Antwerp, where I used to live for over 10 years, even more, and I'm really excited to go and run there because I will meet my family again, old friends. Some of them are also running, and this is quite nice. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath here. I saw that when I plotted the track on my computer. I saw it was only 500 meters of elevation gain for the whole 20 kilometers. It's actually not exaggerated for being here, but still, it seems that these 500 meters are all in the first few kilometers. Current speed is 7 minutes 10 per kilometer, and heart rate 160. So, a bit too high already. Sorry, I'm walking just a bit, just to check what's up with this elevation gain. And indeed, I'll show you on my watch. It's a lot of them 200 meters elevation gain just in a few first kilometers, so it's going up, but soon I will be going down. My goals for the Antwerp Marathon, I don't know yet. In Belgium you run flat, and in Spain everything goes up. So first of all, in Belgium it was very easy to control your speed and heart rate, while here every kilometer is different, you know. So second of all, it makes it very difficult to make any predictions or to set any goals for a flat marathon. So last week I saw that Harry Styles ran the marathon under 3 hours, and sub 3, 4 minutes 15 per kilometers. I did it for about 10 kilometers and then I just had to stop. My heart rate was on over 175. I was broken. So, I don't think it's going to be a sub 3. My personal record is 3:28 on the marathon of Hamburg 2 years ago. Maybe I want to aim for a 3:15. So I don't know. Maybe tomorrow or Wednesday I will go back to the track and try out this tempo. Trail running when a huge truck passes. Luckily that was only for 200, 300 meters and we're back in the trail. It's beautiful here, so peaceful. And so I will aim for 3:15, but to be honest, I'm only running against myself, you know. I don't want to be an Olympic runner. I have so much respect for them. I have so much respect for Harry Styles right now. But if it's 3:15, 3:18 or 3:29, doesn't matter. Obviously I will make a video about it. So I will take you on the trip, and that's also what this channel is all about. Look how beautiful it is right here. Who am I to tell you any advice on running, or you can just share my experiences and we can build kind of a community. I would love that. Other people sharing their runs or thoughts or questions. I'm not sure I will have the answers, but maybe together. Union fait la force, we say in Belgium. Together we are strong. Let's see. Here I have to. It's always, for instance, I will share you my screen. This is the screen. It seems that we are on top of the tunnel of the highway, but I will show you what I have to choose. So you have this path, the main road going to the right, and another path. And you know, my watch is just not that clear. I think I'm going for this one, and maybe it's ending up on the same as the other one. Okay, I'm sorry. That was just ridiculous. This is the other one. Just ending up in the same spots. Doesn't matter. So, even if you have a watch, and even if you have GPS, Garmin, thank you very much, but it's still tricky sometimes. So it's very nice here. Just had a phone call with my brother. Didn't go as planned because I wanted to share a lot of the run. I think for almost 2 kilometers I was on the phone with him, but I have the feeling we are getting close. So I hung up, and I think we are arriving. Oh. Let's see if I can get closer to the middle. Take out my drone and make some cool footage. Have my lunch. How the light is entering. Yeah. Taking my drone out. really fun to do. Energy bar, today it's a Nutri-Sport Energetica. Every run I buy different snacks. I experiment with different bars and gels, and because after a few years of running, just didn't find something that's really good what I can stick with. This is not bad. Strawberry kind of taste, banana strawberry is not bad, but I'm not blown away by it neither. And so if there's any recommendations from you guys, something I can order from Europe, I'll be happy to try it. These kind of places, I always wonder how long have they been here. I'm just scared that he will fall on top of me, no? In this big cave. Probably not. Make sure you always take this back home. It's actually a rule in a lot of trail races here in Spain, is when you bring these bars or gels to the race, you need to have them marked with your race number. You could get fined or something like that. Let's go. It's going really down now. Gives me the idea that later on we will really have to go up. Obvious. When my brother called, he told me that he was lacking some energy today. This was already going on for a few days, and I told him I was actually suffering a bit from the same. We just talked that sometimes, holy shit, how are we gonna do that? Sorry for the language. Even when we don't feel like doing stuff, we just have to continue. Maybe it's a few days, maybe it's a week. If you just hang on there, life will pick itself back up. So come on, here's some inspiration, some energy for you. "10 kilometers in, that was the halfway mark. From now on it's going up for a few kilometers. So let's see how much I can film." I always wonder how well you see on video that it's going up, but it's going up. See, heart rate 163. It's heavy. Someone went to the supermarket and left that there. Thank you, nature. This used to be closed by the police. Maybe we're entering a crime scene. Ta ta ta. It looks really cool out here. Wow. Look at this. I have no clue where we are. I wonder if I should stop for a second to fly my drone. Let's do that. Oh, that was another amazing flight. It seemed that it was kind of a church. I wonder when I get home I will look it up and see if I can actually find something about that church. Let's continue this beautiful adventure. And here we actually found the mini version of the cave. How cool is that? I know this spot. I've been here. Never recognized that cave, but here is the cave bridge. Okay, let's see if I can record myself running over it. So I just got really lost. Now I'm in this field, and I think this is the way to go again. My watch says Cassi, so happy for that. It's quite nice here. You see Montserrat in the background. So we just hit the 14-kilometer mark. I did more than 11 minutes. It's obvious that I got lost and that it was really up. 18 kilometers in. I do believe we will end up with 19, maybe 20. I've obviously been here before. We're not as far from home now. Here we are arriving in the village, and at 19 and a half, so obviously I'm gonna run half a kilometer more just to hit that 20 mark, and that's 20 kilometers. Whew. That's the end of the vlog, average vlog. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some inspiration to go on an adventure yourself. Catch you in the next one. Have a great day.